You sit down at the end of a normal day, and your feet are freezing. Your legs feel heavy, like they belong to someone else. You wake up at 2 a.m. with a cramp so sharp you have to stand on the cold floor just to make it stop. Pulse bar, visible at screen. Bottom steady. Low, you went to your doctor. They ran tests. Everything came back normal. They said, probably stress, probably age. They are wrong. According to the American Heart Association, over 8.5 million adults over 40 have measurable peripheral artery disease, and most of them have no idea. Circulation does not fail overnight. It declines silently over years because of one molecule your body stops producing. Today, you will learn exactly what that is, and the one cup that starts supporting it every morning. Stay until minute 7. The exact recipe. Most people get the timing completely wrong. Welcome to Dr. Keto Lifestyle. Every single day we take the most important health science and break it down into something you can actually use. No products, no confusion. Just honest research explained clearly. If this is your first time here, hit subscribe right now. New video every single day. And this week you do not want to miss what is coming. New video every day. Artery cross-section, animation, zoomed in. Blood cells flowing. Then walls slowly thickening. Space narrows, flow slows. Color dims. Most people think circulation fails because of age. That is not the full story. Inside the wall of every blood vessel there is a single layer of cells called the endothelium. You cannot see it, you cannot feel it, but it controls your entire circulation system. Label: endothelium, your circulation control center. When the endothelium is healthy, it produces a molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide tells your blood vessels to relax and widen. Blood flows freely. Oxygen reaches your legs and feet fully. But as we age, as inflammation builds, as certain nutrients drop, nitric oxide production falls sharply. Vessels tighten. Blood thickens. Your legs and feet start receiving less oxygen, less warmth. This is not aging. This is endothelial dysfunction. And that distinction matters enormously because aging cannot be reversed. Endothelial dysfunction can be EFT, aging gray, locked right. Endothelial dysfunction, green arrow up bold, fixable, naturally. Cards slide in from right, one at a time. Here are the 5 warning signs. Your circulation is getting worse right now while you ignore them. SIGN 1, feet and hands stay cold even indoors. Foot icon. Blue cold tint. When circulation drops, your body redirects warmth to core organs. Cold extremities mean not enough blood flow to reach the edges. SIGN 2, leg cramps that wake you at night. Muscle fiber cramping, animation, slow motion. Muscle cramps at night happen when cells are starved of oxygen during your body's overnight repair window. Poor circulation cuts that oxygen supply at exactly the wrong time. SIGN 3, numbness or tingling below the knee nerves in your lower legs need constant blood delivery. Reduced flow creates signal errors, felt as tingling, or numbness. SIGN, for legs fatigue after just a few minutes standing, if your legs ache from standing in a queue or cooking. Your muscles are not receiving enough oxygen for basic sustained activity. This is not fitness. This is circulation failure. SIGN 5, small wounds on feet take unusually long to heal. Healing requires oxygen-rich blood. Poor circulation slows repair dramatically. A 3-day cut becomes a 3-week problem. All 5 cards visible simultaneously. Checklist summary. If you have even 2 of these, your endothelium is already under stress. The nitric oxide connection, nitric oxide, no molecule, labeled clean blue glow. Travels from vessel wall, gives triggers, expansion. Vessel opens wide. Blood accelerates. Now the molecule that controls everything, nitric oxide, is produced inside your endothelial cells using an amino acid called L-arginine. The moment it forms, it crosses into the vessel wall and tells the smooth muscle layer to relax and open. L-arginine gives vessel relaxes, gives expands. Step labels. No clutter. The problem. Research published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology confirmed that nitric oxide production can decline significantly after age 40, with continued reduction as we get older. Decline bar chart. Age 20 gives 40, gives 60, gives 70, no 100% gives declining trend. Shown red descending line. Clean, no exact percent shown, and it is not just age that reduces it. High sugar burns through L-arginine faster than the body restores it. Processed fats coat endothelial cells, blocking production sites. Chronic inflammation destroys nitric oxide before it can act. Sugar, processed fat inflammation, a 2015 study in the journal Hypertension confirmed. Dietary nitrates from beetroot improved endothelial function and reduced arterial stiffness within just 3 hours of one dose. Hypertension Journal, 2015, endothelial improvement within 3 hours, effect sustained with daily intake. 3 hours. From 1 cup. That is how fast your endothelium responds when it finally gets what it needs. 4 key nutrients appear one by one, building the grid. Accent. Deep teal. For nutrients confirmed by research that your endothelium needs right now. 1 dietary nitrates found in beetroot, spinach, celery. Nitrates from food convert into nitric oxide through a bacterial pathway in your mouth and gut. Beetroot contains the highest concentration of any tested food. This is your primary nitric oxide fuel. TWO-L-citrulline, found in watermelon rind. Cucumber's L-citrulline converts into L-arginine directly inside the kidney, bypassing digestive breakdown. A 2017 meta-analysis in the British Journal of Nutrition found it significantly reduced arterial stiffness markers. 3 gingerols in ginger inhibit platelet clumping, keeping blood thinner and flowing freely through narrowed vessels. Confirmed in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine, 2012. 4 omega-3 fatty acids found in flaxseed. Walnuts. Omega-3 reduces blood viscosity. Blood literally flows more easily. It also reduces the inflammation that damages vessel walls daily. Nutrients Journal, 2019, confirmed improved microcirculation in 4 to 8 weeks of consistent intake. These 4 work together. Start with food, then supplement. The 1 cup morning protocol. Exact ingredients, exact timing, exact reason. Ingredients appear as clean cards, one by one. Here's exactly what goes into this cup. Ingredient 1. Beetroot juice amount. 150 milliliters. Use fresh juice or 100% pure store-bought. 0 added sugar. This is your primary nitric oxide source. Beetroot, minus 150 milliliters. Primary no. Ingredient 2. Fresh ginger root amount. 1 thumb-sized piece. Grated or blended antiplatelet. Improves blood flow in peripheral vessels. Ginger root, 1 thumb blood flow amplifier. Ingredient 3. Fresh lemon juice. Amount, half a lemon. Vitamin C protects nitric oxide from oxidative breakdown. Your nitrogen monoxide lasts longer and works harder. Lemon minnesone, half fruit, no protector. Ingredient for warm water amount, 150 milliliters. Not hot, not cold. Cold water constricts blood vessels, the opposite of what you need. Warm water supports vasodilation and multiplies the effect. Warm water, 150 milliliters. Vasodilation base. Optional. 1 small pinch of cayenne pepper. Capsaicin triggers immediate capillary widening in extremities. Start without it. Add in week 2. Preparation, under 4 minutes. The timing this is critical. Drink this on an empty stomach. First thing in the morning. Before coffee, before food, before everything. Nitrates absorb up to 40% faster on an empty stomach. Nitric oxide peaks 60 to 90 minutes after drinking, right as your body enters its active morning phase. Timeline. Wake gives drink gives 30 min. Nitro monoxide rising gives 60 minute. Vessels relaxing gives 90 minute. Full circulation active, then eat breakfast. Let it work first. Many people report noticing warmer feet within the first week. Results vary by individual and how consistently this is followed. By weeks 2 and 3, many notice the shift clearly. Stay consistent. Give your body time to respond. Important cautions. Before you start, 3 groups should check with their healthcare provider first. On blood pressure medication, beetroot and cayenne are natural vasodilators. Combined with medication, pressure may drop further than intended. Monitor your readings during the first week. With kidney disease, beetroot is high in potassium and oxalates. Impaired kidneys cannot regulate these effectively. Speak with your physician first. On blood thinners, ginger has natural antiplatelet properties. For healthy adults, these food sources carry no toxicity risk. Food, first. Always. 5-step action plan, one by one. Your 5-step plan, start tomorrow morning. Step 1. The morning cup beetroot, plus ginger, plus lemon, plus warm water. Every morning, empty stomach. No exceptions. STEP to nitrate foods with lunch. Spinach, arugula, or celery, 1 serving daily. Extends your nitric oxide window into the afternoon. Step 3. Omega-3 daily, 1 tablespoon of ground, flaxseed, or a handful of walnuts. reduces blood viscosity, makes every other step more effective. Step 4. Cut the 3 nitrogen monoxide killers, reduce processed sugar, daily mouthwash, and processed fats. Even 50% reduction changes your baseline significantly. Step 5. Track foot temperature each morning. Rate coldness 1 to 10 when you wake up. Track daily. Many people notice a gradual shift within the first 2 weeks. 5 green ticks, all visible. Bold center bottom. 1 cup. 4 nutrients. 5 steps. Your circulation was never broken, it was just missing what it needed. That silently cuts off blood flow to your legs every single night, and the 3-second fix before you close your eyes. If you are subscribed, you will not miss it. If you are not, that video stays invisible to you. Hit subscribe right now. Hit the bell for the daily notification. If this gave you something your doctor never did, hit like before you leave. 1 second. It tells us to keep making videos like this. And share this with one person who complains about cold feet or leg cramps they cannot explain. This is the kind of information that genuinely changes a day. See you tomorrow. That silently cuts off blood flow to your legs every single night, and the 3-second fix before you close your eyes. If you are subscribed, you will not miss it. If you are not, that video stays invisible to you. Hit subscribe right now. Hit the bell for the daily notification. If this gave you something your doctor never did, hit like before you leave. 1 second. It tells us to keep making videos like this. And share this with one person who complains about cold feet or leg cramps they cannot explain. This is the kind of information that genuinely changes a day. See you tomorrow.